Last week, 2 Sheppard Air Force Base pilots had to eject from a T-38 before an incident on base that could have been so much worse. Jaron Spohr joins us now from Sheppard with what Sheppard is doing now to prevent future incidents like that.
Daryl, Sheppard has been training their pilots how to react when mishaps occur. They're doing this in hopes of being proactive instead of reactive. Each year, 50,000 planes fly out of Sheppard Air Force Base, and 250 planes fly every single day, making it the busiest joint-use airfield in the Air Force. And as we learned last week, when 2 pilots had to eject before their plane crashed, anything can happen. That is why Chief of Flight Safety, Captain Mike Rayner, says the safety training is so important.
We do it once a year at least for the instructors to reassess, reevaluate, make sure we understand how the system works and how it can save our lives, really.
But when an incident like that occurs, they try to make sure something like that doesn't happen again.
Our investigators come from all over the Air Force, all different backgrounds, but they go through pretty extensive training out at Kirtland Air Force Base out in New Mexico. And so part of that training is we learn to dig into the root causes of the mishap. And our goal is to examine those past mishaps in order to prevent future mishaps.
One of the changes they have made since their last incident in 2013 to help with safety is putting in new ejection seats.
They're just new. There's they're enhanced to provide better propulsion to get out of the aircraft, whereas before you needed to be at a certain ground speed to be able to get yourself safely separated from the aircraft.
They also implement new training to help prepare the airmen for any mishaps they've had previously.
As we build our training programs, as our standards and evaluation shop looks at it, they look at what could happen. We go through our checklists, and again, we put those into our simulators, scenarios, and as you're flying a normal training simulator, our simulator instructors will inject one of these scenarios and see how you handle it.
The safety staff does all of this because at the end of the day, the goal is to take off and land safely every time. As of today, the incident from last week is still under investigation, so we have no new updates, but as soon as we learn more, we'll make sure to keep you updated.
Okay, looking forward to get that information too, or getting it. Okay, Jaron, thank you.